Like the bird, this one's like, and this one's gonna. Why don't you guys get closer so you can actually talk? Why are you yelling? You hear these birds? Like one's like, and then like an acre away, another one's like, why don't you go talk to her, dude? Just go talk to the girl. He's like trying to do Tinder. Such a cuck bird. Like literally they're cuck birds. That sounds crazy, but just go over and bang the bird. Birds are so disappointing. They're not even trying to talk to each other. Like the dude is like, oh, she texted back. And the chick's like, come over. These birds are such faggots. They just keep updating their Tinder profiles. And they're not even like gonna talk. There we go. This is about